Hi, welcome back. This is Jody, and so we are done with our Darby O'Gill St. Patrick's Day little golden book. So wanted to do a quick flip through. So this is a no fold, no cut golden book where we did not cut the pages and we did not fold the pages. They are its original length. So we extended the spine, and I put this beautiful velvet paper from Stamping Up, and it's very strong. It's like a tie-back. Okay, and then the back I left as is. I did just some ribbon that I cut with like a spiral cutter, and you can take these off and add your own or whatever, but there's green eyelets there to match the book. Okay, so let's get started. All right, and this one's nice and blank on the inside. This has got a little jewel there. Flip out, if you can see that. Okay, tuck spot there. Pocket, some goodies, some lace. The book is in order also. Some paper. I really, I don't know if you watched my series, but I really chose my papers, wisely to match the book. This is some vellum paper. This is a pocket. Another pocket with some journaling paper. All of my papers are secondhand, found at thrift stores, flea markets, garage sales. I don't buy anything new. Everything is recycled. I was very careful to choose, like I said, my papers. Like this one has a leprechaun, and it's a maze out of a children's book. Here's a piece of that velvet, some journaling cards and paper. And this I thought was very, depictive of maybe the area, Ireland, I thought. It looked very nice. Another pocket. Horses, because there is a horse in this book. There's a flip out. Money, because there's pots of gold. This is a vintage book of children's, like a child craft, I believe. It's out of that, and it was about holidays. So that was really cool. It's a pocket or envelope. This is some colored food coloring dyed green. Here's a bagpiper. There's the other side of the page. Pocket. I had this thing, here's the horse. I had this thing jammed packed with additional pocket, papers and cards and stuff, but it was getting so full and I didn't want to do that. So here's a pot of gold from a children's book. Here is a coin envelope with some journaling paper. Pocket. And here's the Irish Republic. Here's the other part of that St. Patty's Childcraft. It's got a card in here. It's really cute. Under here's a little flip card. Bagpipers. Violin. Here's some 4-leaf clovers and some gold, a pot of gold. I found a crossword book and a children's book. There's a little pocket here, pocket up here. This has a flip-up journaling spot. Here's a vintage card that was just green. It was just really pretty. I think this was 1963. And you can glue these, cut them, add them for extra journaling pages, make pockets. Here's that crossword. So that's what I mean about, I was very careful when I pick out my pages because I want everything to have like a relationship with the book. Again, March. Belly band. Little pocket. Let's Visit Ireland. Found this in a little book. And the little wee man, this is, it's got a little Ireland guy. I think you'll see it on the other page. Little card. Laces, lots of laces, adornments. And this is Ireland here, the map page. This is actually a tuck spot. And here's some Scottish music. So here's Scotland, Echoes of England. Here is a kind of like a snippet, I guess. I'm not sure. It's just a collage of different fabrics and cards and stuff that were kind of left over from making the book, so the owner will get that. Another pocket here. Some more journaling card. Oh, that's right. This is a flip out, and then the pocket is in the back. A little envelope down here. And this is also a pocket. It's a little card. There's a little tuck spot in the back here. A little doily with, this is, oh, what do you call it? Geez, a Monopoly. One of those property monopolies. So I put a little, made it into a little card, journaling card. Some more there. Yahtzee paper. It's a fabric flip up there with some satin ribbon. And so here is the Scottish person or Ireland, that poem. There's a tuck spot, pot of gold with a gold doily. Just looks like gold coming out of a gold. And this is Sailing Over the Irish Sea. That's so cool. This is wrapping paper, vintage, on the back of the book. So there we are, Darby O'Gill. So I hope you enjoy my videos, and I'll be listing this in my Etsy shop. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.